Hey guys, so I'm getting started to teach. I show you guys how to use turtles in the definition pane here in Java, Dr. Java. First of all, I create a public class. The class is a modifying class, so you can always do whatever. So public class means you can change it. So public class, I can say PSA2, PSA3, whatever it is. And next is the public static void. Void is a return type. And then the strings is the parameter list that it's going to be inside of our codes. So I'm gonna put right here real quick as a comment. So these two dashes mean comment. So like codes enters here. Right? The next is that these curly browsers let them know that the strings of codes have ended at this specific curly browse. So guys, I have added 4 turtles into this world. It's called world D. It's 800 by 800 in parameters. And I assign a name to these turtles. It is crucial to assign a name to our turtles because then it's easier for us to tell them what to do. A specific one. And I assign them to certain spots of the of the world. At 100, 600 is going to be M, 550, 600 is going to be D. Each going to do a specific things. This is how it's going to look when I compile them and run them. And this is it. This is all my turtles. These are my dudes. And yeah, we'll continue doing something. So all these are my turtles, and each of them have a specific name. So in a comment I say turtle will draw a rectangle for the base of the house. I set a pen width because I want my house not to look like a stick figure. So I set pen width at 5, and I set turtle C for drawing a door to pen width at 10. Pen width at 20 for turtle F. Turtle W pen width at 20 as well, because I think that house look nice proportionally. And here's how it's gonna look when I compile and run it. And these are my turtles. They did their job. Alright. Another thing, when I put a pen width, I can change my pen width just using this. Just save it. Compile it again. No warnings. And press run. Oh, wow. Look. Because I changed the pen width to 25. Which means the pen, the drawing itself will be darker. Later on, I was trying to do pen up, pen down, but I realized it's giving me a little hard time. I was gonna do integers, like int x equal 100, int x equal 200, whatever. But that means I'm gonna have to write the code all over again because, as you can see, each of my turtles have a certain amount of thing they go to. And yeah. These guys, by the way, also can turn, like circles. So I make this turn 45 degrees so that I can make my house look nice. As you can see, look, turn 45 degree, it went up 100, went over 450, and another 45 degree, it turned down. And yeah, that's the end of my video. Thank you.